Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to manage services with systemctl command on Linux. So we'll start with opening terminal, and in here I will show you how to manage services with systemctl command. Every command will start the same, so we will type in sudo to get administration permissions, systemctl, and right now we have to choose what we want to do. The first one, I think the most common and the most useful thing, is to check the service status. So we will type in status, and right now we will have to type in the name of our service. For me, I will show every example on the Apache 2 service. If you have the different one, you have to just specify the name right there. And right now I will press enter. Of course I have to type in password. As you can see, my Apache 2 is active and running. This is my status of the Apache 2 service. This is how you can check it. How can we stop the service? We can of course stop the service using the same command, systemctl, and we will change only this part, because this will stay the same. The name of the service will stay the same. We will only change this part, and as you can guess probably, it will be just stop and Apache 2. Like this. I will press enter. As you can see, it worked. And right now, if I will type in sudo systemctl status again, as you can see, my Apache 2 is inactive, dead. So my Apache 2 is stopped, and we can start it again, of course. So instead of stop, we'll type in sudo systemctl, and instead of stop we will type in start and Apache 2. Right now we can do the status again, and as you can see, my Apache 2 is active again. So these are the first two commands, start and stop. You can of course maybe I will show you restart and reload. So, and maybe I will, and at the end of the video, I will, for example, maybe describe you a little bit what is a restart and what is a reload, what is a, for example, enable and disable, because I will show you how to enable the service and how to disable the service. So right now, how to restart the service. So sudo systemctl, of course, and we will be restarting the service. So restart like this, and Apache 2. And what does it mean? Basically, restart stops and then starts the service again. So this is really useful, but we can also reload the service. So restart basically means that we are doing this stop, and start in the one command without needing to write it 2 times, because this restart just stops and starts the Apache 2. We have also the reload command, so reload Apache 2. What does it mean? Reload applies the configuration changes without fully restarting the service. So if you are, for example, change something in the Apache configuration files, you have to just use reload in order to save that, to apply the configuration changes. As you can see, I changed nothing, so nothing happened, but you can do it and you can test it. And the last two commands that we will use with the systemctl is sudo systemctl enable and disable. So for example, I will do systemctl disable and Apache 2. As you can see, removed and disabled Apache 2. What does it mean? Disable and enable means that your Apache 2 service will start automatically at the boot of your system. So if I make this command sudo systemctl disable Apache 2, that means that my Apache 2 service will not start at the boot of my system. So I will maybe again do status. As you can see, this is disabled and this was enabled. So if I want to make it enable again, so I can do sudo systemctl enable and Apache 2. That means that my Apache 2 service will start at the boot of my operating system. Again, I can do status. As you can see, it is enabled again. And right now, we can also use this command to do something like this. So we can use sudo systemctl and is active. What does it mean? We can check if our service is active. So for me, Apache 2 is active, but if I will stop it, so I will just stop Apache 2, as you can see, right now Apache 2 is inactive and it doesn't work. And we can do the same thing with enable and disable. So I will start it again and I will now disable or maybe I will show you this command at first. So you can do again sudo systemctl, but instead of is active you can type in is enabled and Apache 2. As you can see, for now it's enabled. I will disable it, so I will change it to disable. And again, I will do this command. As you can see, right now it is disabled. So this is all in this video. This is very important to understand that maybe I will do something like this. So sudo systemctl start will start the service now. Stop will stop the service now. But enable will enable runs the service at the boot, and disable will stop the run of the service at the boot. And restart will stop and start your your service, and reload will only refresh your configuration, like I said before. So I think this is all in this video. If you know how to use systemctl command on Linux, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.